session, we will know about variable scope in Python. Scope refers to the part of the program where variables are accessible or visible. And scope can be global or local. The variables which is declared in a global scope can be accessible throughout the program. And in Python, variables declared in a top level segment of a program is said to be in a global scope. And a variable which is declared within a function have a local scope. And the local variable can be used only within a function in which it is declared. So let's have a demonstration of one Python program to understand global and local variable. So here we have a small program in which I have declared one function change num, and here in change num we have one local variable num which has a value 90, and just we are printing this value by the print statement. Now outside this function we have another variable num with the same name and having a value 9. So this is in the same program there can be two variable with same name if its scope are different. So this num has a function scope and this num is in a global scope because it is outside all the scope. So here we are just declaring one global variable num, assigning the value 9 to it, then just we are printing the variable value and then calling the function. When we will call this function, the control will come here and it will display the 90, which is the local variable of this function in this print statement. And then again when control comes outside the function after processing the function, it will print the num. So this time this print statement will take the global variable, that is this num, and the value should be 9. So when we will run this program, it will give the output of this 9 appears due to the print statement here, because this print statement is taking the value of this num, which is the global variable. Now when we are calling this statement, this function, so control goes here, and here again we have written one print statement, and in this print statement the value of num variable which come through the local variable, and it will be 90. And when we come outside the program function, then again there is a print statement, and this print statement will again take the global variable and it will print 9. So I hope it's clear to you, because global variables are those variable which is outside the all scope, and the local variable are those variable which is defined within a some function and it is accessible only within this function scope. But this global variable is accessible throughout the whole program. If we want to access this global variable here, we can also access it by keyword global. Global is a keyword to access this num variable. So if I will write here global num, then it will access this num which has a value 9. And when we will change the value 9 to 90, then it will appear here also, because this time it was changing the value of 9. This is the global variable. So when we will see the output of this program, then earlier it was printing as 9, 90 and 9, but now it is printing as 9, 90 and 90, because here we have accessed the global variable and changed the value to 90 here. So now I am going to conclude this topic, and thank you.